Hello to all technology enthusiasts. Imagine an AI that understands everything, has stronger logical reasoning, and even outperforms ChatGPT, Google's AI, and China's AI. Yes, Elon Musk, with the introduction of Grok 3, claims that this is exactly the AI the world needs, but is this really true? Is this AI the best in all of history? Can it replace humans? Can it be used in humanoid robots? Can it revolutionize programming? In this video, we'll discuss all these topics. Grok 3 is the latest AI from xAI, a company founded by Elon Musk, and it's set to spark a new revolution in the AI world. This model is specifically designed to compete with ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and even Chinese models like DeepSeek. One of the biggest features Musk emphasizes is that, unlike other models, Grok 3 presents the truth without any filters or political considerations. Processing power and learning. Now let's get to the exciting part. This model has been trained on 200,000 GPUs and is 10 times more powerful than its previous versions. This means it can process information at an unimaginable speed and accuracy. Additionally, Grok 3 uses a new learning system that allows it to have a deeper understanding of concepts and provide better logical reasoning even in complex topics. Comparison with competitors. Now that we've talked about its power, let's see how it performs against others. ChatGPT 4 from OpenAI is currently one of the strongest models. However, Musk claims that Grok 3 has performed better in various tests. Additionally, this model introduces a new feature called Deep Search, which, unlike regular searches, analyzes information and provides a more precise and reasoning-based result. Coding and technical tasks. Now, let's see how well it performs in programming. There isn't much detailed information yet about Grok 3's coding abilities, but given its stronger processing power and improved algorithms, it's expected to perform better in this field as well. A big question: can this AI be integrated into a humanoid robot? Musk hasn't directly addressed this, but if Grok 3 is truly more powerful than ChatGPT, then using it in a robot like Optimus Tesla's robot seems entirely logical. Maybe in a few years, we'll see this AI inside a real robot that talks and thinks like humans. Can it replace humans in jobs? One of the hottest debates about AI is its impact on the job market. Musk has generally supported human-AI collaboration, but when a model becomes this powerful, it can naturally replace some jobs. It's still too early to say that Grok 3 will take over the entire job market, but it will definitely affect intellectual and creative professions. So, in the end, is Grok 3 the best AI in history? It's still too early to say for sure, but what's clear is that this model is one of the most advanced to date and has the potential to reshape the AI world. What do you think? Can this AI really surpass its competitors? Share your thoughts in the comments. How do you see the future of AI?